this is me again, and this is Easton Tackle. I'm Easton, living my best life, or Biggie living my best life. But look, there's I think that's a I don't know who that is blocking the road off. I think it's a sheriff or police. But look, we're in a line and we're going down the road, and it's all by ourselves. No cars can go on this road.